Hi everyone, hope so you all are doing it. In this video, I'll show you how to fix network not working in Google Pixel 11. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe the channel and follow each step carefully for the best results.